Sometimes clients want to know if they can still proceed with a motorcycle claim if they weren't wearing their helmet. And we always encourage our clients to wear their helmet for their own protection and safety. But in those situations where you're injured on a motorcycle and you weren't wearing your helmet, you can still bring a claim. Depending on the nature or extent of your injuries and what body parts you've injured, whether or not you were wearing a helmet at the time may not even be relevant to your damages. So you wouldn't want to limit yourself in not bringing an action because you weren't wearing a helmet. You want to reach out to a lawyer, have them do an investigation, order your medical records, get the facts of the case, and see whether or not that failure to wear a helmet really makes a difference. Though, of course, we always encourage everyone to be safe on the roads and wear their helmet.